Steady. Oh!
Everything all right?
Oh, sorry, Rodney.
Oh, Judas! Judas! Where were you?
What?
Bronzy night.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, must have slipped my mind. Well, I'll leave you to it.
Oh. Yeah, go on, you better run away. Bob, I think I'm a bit drunk. Got to go to bed.
Of course, yeah.
I'll only make a fool of myself again. I'll probably try and snog you this time.
Huh.
Right. Yeah. Oh. I don't know why I'm quite so drunk.
No, don't apologise. It's been great. I've really enjoyed myself.
So have I. Right. Oh. I've got to go to bed. Thank you for being my Concorde.
Okay.
Okay.